Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Asra Septiari Nur Hasana from the class Chemistry A with name 2106031100036. Here, I will convey a resume of the material that has been conveyed by Mrs. Annie about the Earth is around and how to manage waste. Before starting the lesson, it will be nice if we pray first, pray at the start. The first, Earth is round. If you follow the law of conservation of mass, it is known that the Earth is round. Water may not go anywhere. The water we enjoy today is inherited from the same material because our Earth is one. We will pass the same water on to our children and grandchildren. Water quality is decreasing from generation to generation. Water quality is a shared responsibility. Waste treatment is a mandatory thing that must be done, otherwise a disaster will be occur. Most water pollution comes from home industry, not from industry. What is waste? Waste is material or waste or used goods from an activity or production process whose function has changed from the original, except for those that can be eaten by humans and animals. Waste is divided into two based on its toxicity, namely non-battery waste and battery waste, hazardous and toxic material. Non-battery waste is waste that has no impact on living things. Meanwhile, battery waste is waste that contains hazardous and toxic material because it's natural. Concentration and amount can directly or indirectly mix, pollute the environment, and can harm humans. Based on the origin of the waste, it is divided into three groups, namely household waste, agricultural waste, and industrial waste. What is household waste? Household waste is a residual material generated from household activities. An example of household waste is garbage, organic and inorganic, detergent, dirt, and combustion smoke. Pumping air into water is not a simple thing because it will change organic and inorganic compounds. Inorganic will oxidate and organic ions with aerobic aeration will decompose by microbes. Step first filtering is the screening of first waste so as not to disrupt or clog the piping. Valence tanks are uniformity tanks, equalization tanks, balancing composition and volume in the water. Continuous aeration so that water in contact with the air, giving microbes as bioreaction that can be break down organic solid and reducing nutrient level. The amount of pollution can be reduced by increasing the amount of microbes. The use of microbes is widely used because they are more natural, cheaper, and do not require high energy. If using chemical, we leave residue that are more dangerous which can increase pollution. Microbes are very easy to breed because microbes only eat nutrients with ingredients concentrate chemical allowed to kill microbes. So, there are steps that are not given microbes first because the chemicals are too heavy in the waste. Microbes really like organic pollution. If they eat inorganic pollution, it allows these microbes to be killed. clarifier tank, a rotating device. The stick was aimed to precipitate the solution. The correct sediment is sucked out and then dried so it does rot. Waste that does not contain battery material can be used as compost. Some waste with a high microbial content is taken to be returned to the water as microbial seeds. After the water is deposited and drained and given a disinfectant. Give a disinfectant at the end to kill the remaining microbes. After that, the water is accommodated and sample test using gas and fish do not die, then the water can be returned. The fish used for the sample test is tilapia, not catfish, because catfish have more resistance to waste. Industrial waste treatment. What is industrial waste? Waste is something that cannot be separated from a process, especially in industrial matter. Industrial processes will produce a lot of waste as a memory of their success in creating something. Industrial waste is the rest of the material resulting from certain industrial process. This waste certainly has no benefit at all. Even its existence must be handled very selectively. This industrial waste can be in the form of solid, liquid, or gas. On average, what is said to be waste is polluted water. Polluted water is not allowed to be directly discharged into the environment but must be treated first. What are the steps of liquid waste treatment? One, the first, inland. Entry of wastewater from a production process into the canal for treatment. Second, filtration. Filtering coarse waste or large solid waste functions so as not to interfere with or clog to the next flow. Third, equalization. Accommodating excessive amount of waste, balancing both the volume and character of the waste. Fourth, uniformity. Uniform volume and character of waste. 5. Cooling pool. Cool the temperature of the waste that has just been removed from the product site. 6. Biological aeration ponds. Addition of microbes or decomposers. Contraction wastewater with oxygen to facilitate decomposition or degradation. Also utilizing sunlight to assist the degradation of process. Waste from organic and inorganic material undergoes precipitation in the form of ions when in contact with oxygen. The ion will form oxidocetol. Organic compounds need to be broken down by aerobic microbes. Aerobic microbes in their decomposition require oxygen when finished. Organic compounds turn into simple compounds and are easily precipitated, and nutrients are added for microbial maintenance. 7. Clarifier, purification pool, separating between solid and liquid. The base in conical at the bottom. They will collect reusable sludge in the aeration pond. However, only a small part of the sludge can be reused in the aeration pond because it is a microbial seed. 8. Sedimentation ponds. In this process, the waste will deposit between solid and liquid. 9. Sand filter. This process is done when the water has started to clear. In the sand filter process is usually absorption replacement of ions. And unfavorable waste will be bound by sand and ion substitution occurs. Then, lagoon or control. Usually is a large pond that is given by tilapia as an experimental indicator to test whether the water is suitable or not. 11. Watermelon. In this process, the water sugar industry is analyzes whether the character is visible or can be distracted. Thank you for your attention and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope what I have explained from this video can be useful for all of us. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.